Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to go to your app store on your watch OS. And then this one is a Samsung smart watch 46 millimeter. So let's go ahead and scroll to the apps. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and go to Galaxy Store and scroll to apps, and these are the top 3 apps. You want to go ahead and scroll down. There's this one right here, Navigation Pro, Google Maps. And then if you want this one, you could go ahead and click on it and then install it. So it says permission required. Oops. You need to scroll down, read all about it, make sure it's free and everything before you go ahead and click on the check.
So the second one is another one, which has 5 stars.
It'll be this one right here, Locus Map free watch. So let's go ahead and click on install and see. So again, it's asking for permission. Let's go ahead and click on the check. This app will work only if the associated app is installed on your phone. Check the message on your phone for installation and press OK. So I need to get my phone. Let's just wait until it's finished installing first before I go get my phone. Or I might have to get my phone at the same time. So I guess it is installing on my phone. Let's go ahead and click on open and see. Let me go check on my phone. Okay, so this is what it says on my phone. Locus Map free. Locus Map free has been installed on your watch. To use it, you need to be installed on your phone too. So you're gonna press OK. Go to your Google Play Store, install. Let's go ahead and click on open. And go ahead and click on I agree and agree with the term of use of Locus Map free. Checked it and then press start. It's a mumbo jumbo again. Agree. Allow. Allow. So I'll probably need to look for a destination and then so for example, let's say go ahead and click on that one. Then click on navigate to. So you have it for car, cycle, MTB, racing, walk, or hike.
Let's go.
Let's see on the watch. So let's go ahead and click on that. So you have a map on your watch. Alright, so now it's syncing my phone and then on my watch, both of them simultaneously, okay? So now it's you can see it's working. Probably need to drive around and see what it does on the watch. Let's go ahead and do a test drive. So unfortunately, the map doesn't talk to you like the Google Maps. So I'm gonna try the Google Map and see, and then test out that app as well. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to your Galaxy Store. And then go to your Galaxy Store, okay? And be sure to go into apps, top free apps, click on it. And then you're gonna scroll down until you see Navigation Pro. This one is Google Maps navigation. So I know it only has less than 5 stars. Let's go ahead and check it out. And then you want to go ahead and click on install. It's going to ask you for a permission request. If you want, you go ahead and read all about it and then click on the check. It says this app will work only if the associated app is installed on your phone, okay? Check your message on your phone for installation information. So normally you will get a pop-up on your phone. So let's go ahead and press OK. Alright, so you got a pop-up now on your phone. Navigation has been installed on your watch. And then to use it, need to be installed on your phone too. So click on OK. What? Alright, so that's why it has a 4-star. This one is required for you to purchase. So this is another way if you want to install on your watch. But it costs $2.99. I'm not going to pay $2.99 for it. I got another app that I installed it for free. But at first I thought it was free because I look at the watch. It says top free apps. So anyway, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this app, you could go ahead and do so at your own risk. And if you want, you go ahead and reorder review. What I like to do is reorder review first. Normally I read the negative first, see what's wrong with the app or people complaining about it. And if I decide to go ahead and purchase, then I go ahead and purchase. But yeah, so there are 2 other alternative ways that you could get the map. One is to pay for it, and the second one is free. Or you could just use a Google Map on your phone and it's free. So yeah, anyway, that's how you install this Locus Map for free. And you can see everything on your watch instead of looking on your smartphone. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.